Hey friends,
I'm Steve.
and I'm Angela.
And we are
Midlife Cruising. Welcome to our rental site. We live aboard the Villa Vie Odyssey, a residential cruise ship, and we travel the world and we share all things cruise life and all things cruise port on our Midlife Cruising YouTube channel. We have filmed so many rooms for our friends over the past year who wanted to rent them out, either a week, a month, 6 months, or longer. So we decided, why not dedicate a specific channel just for rentals? So we're going to be filming all the rooms for rent, and you can check them out here.
In the description below, you'll find all the information for each rental. The owner's name, the contact information, and the rate for single or double occupancy.
So you will contact the owner directly. We're just kind of the middleman, filming the room and putting it out there. And if it isn't available now, it doesn't mean it's not available in the future. Keep coming back. And over on our Midlife Cruising page, if we know of a room that's come up again, we'll say, hey, go check out episode 4. It's coming available again to rent. So make sure you subscribe so you'll get the notifications every time we post a new rental. If you have a question, go ahead and comment below. But remember, when you rent from anyone on the Villa Vie Odyssey, it includes your Wi-Fi, it includes 2 beer wine with lunch, 2 beer wine with dinner, it includes your laundry, they clean your room, all
gratuities,
port fees, all those extra things you pay for on another cruise will be included in the price that the owner and you agree upon.
Well, I hope you enjoy this tour.
Okay, here we are in room 4151. It is an interior room and it is available for rent. Single occupancy or double occupancy. These beds could be separated into 2 twins, one on either side, or pushed together. It is up on risers, so there is plenty of storage underneath for your suitcase. There's a TV there that can pivot all the way out, or this position it's in now. The owner will remove everything from this 3-drawer dresser so you can pack it up. We have a refrigerator here, a desk area, all the shelving. He'll move all of his stuff under the bed, but still leave you plenty of room for your suitcases. There'll be 2 closets here, completely empty for you. And then the bathroom is here. And of course, he'll remove all of his personal belongings, but those great magnetic shelves will be there for your storage. So this is room 4151. It is available to rent. We will always post the available days in the description below. Look at our title and go to the word more underneath our title. If you're on your computer, phone, or pause your TV, find the word more and click on that and it'll expand our description. And that's where you'll see the available dates and the pricing for this interior room. Conveniently located just outside of the main dining room and one of the embarkation areas if we use deck 4. You'll also be right down the hallway from me. Come join us, check it out. There's also a mirror I see on the back of the door. Refrigerator. It is lived in now, but remember, he will take all of his items out so you can have your own. Got plenty of metal hooks around. Remember, check out the description below. Contact the owner directly. And remember, there is always a $150 processing fee when you fill out your initial forms through the company Villa Vie Residences to join us on the Villa Vie Odyssey. So $150 plus whatever the person is asking per night. And the most important thing to remember is everything is included. They do your laundry for you. They clean your room twice a week. Free Wi-Fi, 2 beer wine at lunch, 2 beer wine at dinner, all those things you pay extra for on most cruises. And remember, if you are interested in the villa you just saw, click the little word more at the end of the title below the video. It'll expand the description and find the owner's name and contact information via WhatsApp, email, whatever, and contact them directly. And we hope to see you aboard soon on the Villa Vie Odyssey. Bye, friends!